If you've ever tried cooking in a dorm room, tiny apartment, hotel, or RV, you already know how frustrating it can be. Either there's no real kitchen setup, or you end up relying on instant meals because cooking anything decent feels like too much work. And honestly, that's exactly the kind of problem this little cooker is trying to solve. Today, we're looking at the Audecook Hot Pot Electric 2-liter, a compact electric cooker designed for people who want something portable, simple, and versatile enough to handle everyday meals without needing a full kitchen. It works as a hot pot, mini skillet, steamer, soup cooker, ramen maker, and even a small frying pan for things like eggs or steak. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is the size. It's compact enough to fit comfortably on a desk, small counter, or shelf, but the 2-liter capacity still gives you enough room to cook a proper meal instead of just snacks. The overall design feels practical rather than flashy. It's lightweight, easy to move around, and the handles stay comfortable when carrying it. The included steamer insert is also a nice touch because it lets you cook vegetables or dumplings while preparing something else underneath. The ceramic-style nonstick interior actually feels smoother and more durable than a lot of cheaper portable cookers. Food releases easily, and cleanup takes almost no effort after cooking. Even sticky foods like oatmeal or fried rice didn't become a mess to scrub afterward, which is honestly one of the biggest reasons small appliances like this either become part of your routine or end up forgotten in a cabinet. In real-world use, this cooker is surprisingly flexible. The lower power mode works well for simple meals like ramen, eggs, pancakes, or oatmeal without overheating things too quickly. Then switching to the higher power mode gives it enough heat for stir-frying vegetables, steaming salmon, or even cooking thin cuts of steak. It's obviously not replacing a full-size stovetop, but for quick, everyday meals, it handles more than you'd expect. The heating performance is also more even than many budget electric skillets. Some compact cookers create hot spots that burn food in one area while leaving the rest undercooked, but this one distributes heat fairly consistently across the surface. It also heats up quickly, which matters when you're trying to make food fast during a busy day. Another nice detail is the built-in overheating protection, which adds a little extra peace of mind if you're using it in a dorm or travel setup. One thing I really appreciated is how portable it feels. This is the kind of appliance you can genuinely pack for a trip, use in a hotel, or keep in a small apartment without it becoming inconvenient. The non-slip base helps it feel stable during cooking, and because it's lightweight, storing it is easy. That said, there are a few limitations. The compact size is perfect for 1 or 2 people, but families or larger meal prep sessions will probably outgrow it quickly. Also, while it can cook steak and saute vegetables, the cooking surface isn't huge, so larger portions require cooking in batches. And because this is designed for portability, it doesn't have the same power as a full kitchen appliance. Compared to similarly priced portable cookers, the Audecook stands out mainly for versatility and ease of cleaning. A lot of budget electric pots feel cheaply made or only work well for boiling noodles, but this one feels more balanced for actual daily cooking. It's especially useful for students, travelers, campers, or anyone with limited kitchen space who still wants fresh homemade meals. Overall, the Audecook Hot Pot Electric 2-liter feels like one of those small appliances that quietly becomes useful almost every day. It's easy to use, portable, simple to clean, and surprisingly capable for its size. If you need a compact cooker that makes quick meals easier without taking up much space, this is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen gadget reviews, and check out the product link in the description if you want to learn more about the Audecook Hot Pot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.